Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking the Vivo and opening Settings. This is where System sounds live. Once in Settings, search for Sound if you don't see the menu. This saves time across models. Select Sound and Vibration or Sound Effects. This groups ringtones, notifications, and system tones in one place. Make sure Do Not Disturb is off so you can hear changes. You're initiating the change here because Android separates notification tones from ringtones, and that separation determines the next steps. You now tap Notification Sound to open the list of available tones. This shows both built-in sounds and any you've added. Once the list appears, preview items by tapping them so you hear how loud and clear they are. If you prefer a custom file, choose Browse or Add and navigate to your MP3/OGG in internal storage or downloads. After selecting a file, confirm Set as default. This replaces the system tone because Vivo saves your selection into user settings for no. You finish by assigning tones to individual apps if you want different alerts. Go to each app's notification settings and pick the tone you added. If the custom tone doesn't appear or play, make sure the file format is supported, MP3 or OGG, and move it to the notifications folder so Android indexes it. Once done, reboot the phone or clear the Sound app cache to force a refresh. If problems persist, confirm Do Not Disturb and app notification permissions are enabled.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.